Good morning. We're going to look at the nasty whitefly infestation I have on my purple sprouting broccoli. This often comes, see all the little white bits on that stalk and the seed pods. The infestation seems to get really maxed out once the plant goes to seed, which you can see in these little seed pods here. Whiteflies are nasty. Once you get an infestation, it is really bad news. They spread everywhere. They lay their eggs. And they go really, really quickly from maybe seeing a few to have something massive like this covering these stems. So you've really got to get rid of them as soon as you see them. This one got out of my watch. So I'm going to be cutting the plant all the way down to below where the infestation is. So right here is about where it stops. So I'm going to be cutting that whole entire branch off and putting it in the yard debris container. There's no point in spraying these at this stage. You just have to get rid of them and then watch the other branches, stems of the plant that's infested. You can do like a soap spray but really the best thing is you've got to get rid of them. So don't let those white flies take hold. They love cruciferous vegetables like this purple sprouting broccoli, collards, regular broccoli. Ugh, it's just crazy. So do your diligence, keep watch, and keep them out of your garden.